Hello, good morning. I will present some parents to you in the future. Number one, I feel gratitude from university in a new years and start my professional and character. Number two, I am going to travel around Europe next summer to learn about different cultures. Number three, I hope to find a job that truly inspires me and allows me to grow. Number four, I plan to learn a third language like French or Japanese within the next 5 years. Number five, I will save money every month and buy the all apparent in the future. Number six, I am going to adapt dog on the bigger place to life. Number seven, I want to start me own business becomes of enter it trend new. Number eight, I will def- destiny focus on my maintaining and healthy lifestyle, be eating well and experiment. Number nine, I'm planning to take a master degrees and improve my skills. Number 10, I hope will be able to help my parents' funerals when I'm older. Number 11. I going to learn how to cook professional dishes or dinners for friends. It will treat balance. Number Número 12. It will try balance my work life with my personal hobbies and passions. Número 13. In plan volume perform every mental organization New Year's. Número 14. I want to bully and strong network and friends and parents who support my goals. Número 15. I will always look for new opportunities to learn and improve myself every day. Estas fueron las 15 frases de futuro en inglés.